Hello children, in this video we will discuss about the four stages of water cycle. The four stages in the water cycle are evaporation, condensation, precipitation and collection. Stage 1. Evaporation. Evaporation occurs when the sun heats up water in rivers or lakes or the ocean and turn it into vapor or steam. The water vapor or steam leaves the river, lake or ocean and goes into the air. In this figure, you can see the process of evaporation. Stage 2. Condensation. Condensation occurs when water vapor or steam in the air gets cold and changes from a gas back into liquid, forming clouds. You can see the process of condensation in the given figure. Stage 3. Precipitation. Precipitation occurs when so much water has condensed that the clouds get heavy and water falls back to the earth in the form of rain, hail, sleet or snow. In the given figure, you can see the process of precipitation. Stage 4. Collection. This is when water that falls from the clouds in the form of rain, snow, hail or sleet collects in the ocean, rivers, lakes, streams. Most will soak into the ground and will collect as underground water. In this figure, you can see the process of collection.